In this video, I want to talk about how you can transfer from eToro to your eToro wallet. Now, your eToro wallet is also called eToro Money, so make sure you go on App Store and download eToro Money. Once you've downloaded eToro Money, you want to open up the app and log into your eToro account. Now, once you've done this, you want to go back to eToro, and in here you want to make sure your profile is 100% completed. So mine is only 80%, so I cannot transfer it. You want to make sure you complete it fully, and it's also important that you add your phone number. Once you've done all of this, you just want to select the position inside of your portfolio and just click on your position, and there will be a transfer button here. Now, like I said, since I'm not 100% completed, I cannot show you, but this is how it's gonna look like. So you just go in here, portfolio, select the one you want to do, click on it, and you should see a transfer to wallet. Now that is how it works, and that is basically it, guys. Now I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.